Mr. May, this is the 2017 Georgetown 364 TS. As you can see, this thing is in excellent condition. All slide toppers, max air vent covers, 22.5-inch rims with brand new tires. A total of 9,000 miles on this coach. Previous customer also had window awnings installed. Does come with your rear and side cameras, a total of 3 slide outs. A nice sized awning. It is electric with awning lights. And underneath your awning there is outside entertainment with TV, outside speakers, and radio. You'll notice you do have full pass-through storage in this coach. And all of your storage is lined in rotocast plastic, which is extremely durable. It's like a hard polymer. This coach is in absolute excellent condition, like new. It does have 2 full baths, so it does have 2 separate water heaters. Has your bunks, residential refrigerator, convection microwave, large flat screen TVs, drop down bed over the cab. Nice sized couch on both sides do recline. And believe it or not, that couch actually pulls out into a bed as well. Also comes with a nice large booth dinette, which also folds down into a bed and gives you storage on either side. Nice, very aesthetically pleasing, large residential refrigerator, large oven with tile backsplash, convection microwave, all hard surface countertops, and plenty of storage space. Both the captain's chairs do swivel around, and then again you do have your drop-down bunk over the top. This coach is equipped with all LED lights, 2 ACs which are fully ducted, beautiful vinyl flooring. Both bunks have their own lights, TVs, and outlets and windows. Here would be your first bathroom. Typically this would be where a half bath is located, but in this coach it is a full bath with a skylight in the shower. Here's your bedroom with his and her lighting, king bed, and receptacles on either side. Plenty of storage. And this is your master bath. This is located in your bathroom right above the sink area. Now you could put a washer combination here, washer dryer combination, or you could use this simply for stacking towels and things like that. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any other questions, concerns, please feel free to let me know. Also, I wanted to show you this only has 29 hours on the generator and just less than 9,000 miles on the motor, excuse me. Also, it is already equipped with an electric brake controller for towing, and it does have electric LCI jacks. Your power shade in the front, or excuse me, your shade in the front is power. You have a nice color screen backup camera, as well as a microphone so the person behind you can hear you.